Hi there, my name is Kirill Tarkhanovsky, and this is my new YouTube video dedicated to Java language. So in this video, let's discuss a fundamental concept of Java language, which is variables. First of all, let's create a main structure of our program. In my IDE, I created a project which is called second. So I created a source file which is also called second.java, and let's create our class second. Okay, and then we create an access point of our program main method public static void main string square brackets arcs and curly braces. So variables is one of the most fundamental concept in Java language. On the whole, I think you know that variable, the concept of a variable can be found in many other languages such as C, C++, C Sharp, or even functional languages such as Erlang. In Java, a variable is a named memory location that may be assigned by a value during the execution of our program. In other words, variable in Java is some. In other words, we can describe the variable in Java as a box. Imagine that you have some box, and you can put into this box any kind of information. For example, you can put in this box integers like 5, 7, or -10, and others. In this and in our case, variable is a abstract is a named box, named memory location to which you can assign some value. So let's first of all let's make a comment. Let's create a comment. As I said earlier, I prefer single line comments, and I'll type the variables in our second program. So let's create our first variable. It looks very easy. Very easy to create it. I type int, then I type number, and I put semicolon. So so let's discuss what this line means. Okay, in this line, we declare a new variable, which is called number, and this variable has an integer type. So we created a variable which is called number, and we can interact with this variable using its name, number, and we also specified the type of information which can be assigned to this number. The type is int. Int is a type which allows us to store integers. So let's create a brief comment. Int is a keyword. First of all, int is a keyword of Java, and it specifies data type which allows to store integers, or maybe which can contain integers like 5, 7, 0, -2, -67, and others, and etc. So in line 6 shows us the general form of creating variables in Java language. If we can generalize this, and the main form, the general form of creating variable in Java is type var name and semicolon. So type specifies a special data type which can be used in Java language. The simple types of Java language are integer, character, floating point, boolean, var name, and the second word var name means it is the name of our variable. At this name, and using this name, we can interact with this created variable, and I would like to say that it is very important to understand that after this line, int number or in general form type var name, we should we must type semicolon, because this line is a statement, and if we want, and when we create variable in Java language, we use a special statement which we can see here, and this statement must be ended with a semicolon. It is very important. So we created a variable which is called number. Let's do another thing. Let's assign some data to this number. So I'm printing number, and now, for example, 45 semicolon. In this line, okay, I'm sorry. In this line, we can see that we chose our variable number, and we assigned to it the integer value 45, and all this line must be ended with a semicolon, and all this line is called an assignment operator. So single equal sign is an assignment operator. Using a single equal sign, we can assign different values which are situated on the right side of this operator to the variables which are situated to the left side of this sign. So we assign 45, which is situated on the right side, to our variable number, which is situated on the left side, using single equal single equal sign. It is very important. So after that, so we created our first variable. We assigned to it some value, and let's print the value of this variable. I use on the on our in our previous lessons, I used print ln method. So let's use it again. I'm printing system dot out dot print ln and then I pass to this print ln method the following string, the value of number variable. Oh no, the value of number is and then I use a special operator plus, and after that I'm typing the name of my variable number, and I end this line ends with a semicolon, because this line is a statement. So let's compile our program. And we can see that method println outputs the following string. The value of number is 45. Okay, everything is quite well, and I would like to say that let's discuss these parameters which we passed to println method. Our variable, which is called number, is preceded by this string. The value of number is I remember that in Java the string is we speak about the string when our characters are situated between double quotes. And what we are doing here, we use a plus operator in order to append our variable to this string. In other words, plus operator concatenates this string to this the variable, and it is very important to understand that method println is very clever, and first of all it converts number from integer type to string equivalent, and only after that this variable concatenates with this string. On the whole, we plus operator concatenates a number in string form with this string. Okay, in this lesson we have discussed the fundamental concept of variables, and I showed you how to declare variable, to assign some value to it, and how to output the value of variable. Thank you for your attention, and I'm going to create my new YouTube video of Java. Thank you.